So hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is lecture number 8 of our React Mastery course, and in this lecture I will give you a project overview of our project we are going to make together in upcoming lectures. So in the upcoming project, what we are gonna make? We are gonna make a simple app which will show us three components, which are personal digital assistants. It will display the information about these. So what will be in this app? It will show us three cards which will display the information about PDAs, which is personal digital assistants. So now you might notice a simple pattern here that each cards look similar except for the text and the image. The basic structure of these cards are similar. So we have two options of making this project, or you can say two approaches. In the first approach, what we can do is that we can write all of our JSX code in one single component, which will be the app component. In this option, what we are gonna do, we can do that we can make three divs, which means three card components. It will not basically be component because it are divs. These are divs, and in these divs we will separately write out image and all the text related to that. But this is not a very effective way to do this project, and it is also time consuming and does not use the power of React. So what we are going to do, we are going to go with option number 2. In option number 2, we are going to make a single reusable card component which will be named as profile card. So in this option, this will be a single card component which will contain all the information related to that card, which will include image and all the text. And then in the app component, we will import that profile card component and print that profile card 3 times. That will do our task much easily than the first option. So here you might notice a little problem or a little puzzle is that if we print these all three components, it will show us similar text and similar information. But what we want to do, we want to display some different information in all these three cards. But we also want to use one single profile card component. So that is the challenge we will need to figure out, and which we will figure out by doing the coding together. And I will tell you the concept behind it. How can we do that? It will be done with the help of props. So there is a little terminology I want to introduce you with. That is, there will be two components in our app. The first will be app component and second will be profile card component. This is called component hierarchy. This helps us understand the relationship between our components. So here the app component is the parent component, as it will import the profile card component. So profile card component will be known as children of this app component, and because we have three profile card components, so these three profile card components will be known as siblings. So now to do this project, in our src folder we will have three files, which will be, first will be index.js file, which will render our app. Second will be app.js file, which will create a component which will show three copies of our profile card component. And third will be profile card component, the component which will show a single card, and all the information related to that card will be stored inside that. So guys, this was the overview of our project, and from the next lecture we will start working on it together. So this was all for today. Thanks for watching.